Rails of Radiance. How Switzerland's railways are pioneering a new era of solar power. Switzerland, a nation renowned for its precision, engineering and stunning alpine landscapes, is once again at the forefront of innovation. This time with a groundbreaking project that could redefine how we perceive solar energy generation. Imagine thousands of kilometers of active railway lines, not just moving people and goods, but also quietly harnessing the sun's power. This vision is rapidly becoming a reality with the development and deployment of removable solar panels integrated directly into the railway infrastructure. This ambitious initiative promises to transform Switzerland's extensive rail network into a significant source of clean energy, marking a pivotal step towards a more sustainable future. Project objectives and unlocking green energy potential. The core objective of this Swiss solar railway project is elegantly simple, yet profoundly impactful. To utilize the vast, often overlooked space adjacent to and between active railway tracks for renewable energy production. Switzerland boasts approximately 5,317 kilometers, 3,300 miles of railway lines, much of which is exposed to sunlight for significant portions of the day. Instead of viewing these corridors merely as transportation arteries, innovators envision them as dormant energy fields. The benefits are multifaceted: massive clean energy generation. By tapping into this unused real estate, the project aims to generate substantial amounts of clean electricity feeding directly into the national grid or powering the railway's own operations, enhanced energy independence, reducing reliance on imported fossil fuels and bolstering Switzerland's energy security, sustainable infrastructure, transforming existing infrastructure into a dual-purpose asset, providing both transportation and clean power, reduced land use conflicts. Unlike large-scale solar farms that require significant land allocation, this approach leverages existing linear infrastructure, avoiding debates over land use for agriculture or nature conservation. Pioneering a global model, establishing a scalable model for other countries with extensive railway networks to follow. This initiative is not just about installing solar panels, it's about reimagining infrastructure as an active participant in the energy transition. The ingenuity behind removable solar panel technology. The brilliance of the Swiss project lies in its removable solar panel technology, designed specifically to address the unique challenges of a railway environment. Traditional solar installations are static, but railway tracks require regular maintenance, inspection, and occasional access for repairs. Companies like the Swiss startup Sunways are developing modular solar panels designed to fit precisely between railway tracks or along their sides. These panels are engineered to be thin, durable, and resistant to the harsh conditions of a railway environment, including vibrations, weather extremes, and potential debris. The modular design allows for rapid and efficient installation. Panels can be deployed section by section, often with specialized machinery that minimizes disruption to train schedules. The goal is to make installation as quick as laying new track sections. The removable advantage? This is the game changer. The panels are not permanently fixed. Instead, they are designed with a mechanism that allows them to be easily lifted or slid out of place when maintenance crews need access to the tracks below. This can be done either manually for smaller sections or with specialized automated vehicles for longer stretches. This ensures that the essential functions of the railway are not impeded. Energy generation capacity. While specific figures vary based on panel type and location, pilot projects aim for significant output. For example, Sunways estimates that a single kilometer of track could generate enough electricity to power multiple households or a portion of the energy needed for the trains themselves. The total potential across Switzerland's network could be substantial, contributing gigawatt hours of clean electricity annually. 3. Early implementations and case studies. Pioneer pilot project. One notable pilot involves a 100-meter test track near Payerne, Switzerland. Here, Sunways demonstrated the viability of installing their photovoltaic modules directly between the rails. This initial phase focused on proving the technology's resilience, the efficiency of installation, and critically, the ease of removal for track maintenance. The successful tests have paved the way for larger deployments. Collaboration with National Rail. Such projects often involve close collaboration with the Swiss Federal Railways, SBB, CFF, FSS. These partnerships are crucial for integrating new technologies safely and effectively into an operational railway system, addressing logistical challenges, and scaling up successful pilots. Is 4. Environmental impact and carbon footprint reduction. The environmental credentials of this project are compelling, offering a significant pathway to reducing Switzerland's carbon footprint. Substantial CO2 emission reduction. By generating clean electricity, the railway solar project directly displaces energy produced from fossil fuels, leading to a measurable reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. For instance, if even a fraction of Switzerland's railway network were covered, the CO2 savings could be equivalent to taking tens of thousands of cars off the road annually. Optimal land use. This approach leverages existing linear infrastructure, preventing the need for new land appropriation. This is particularly valuable in Switzerland, where land is a precious resource and environmental protection is a high priority. Reduced visual impact. Unlike large sprawling solar farms, these integrated panels are often less visually intrusive, blending more seamlessly into the existing landscape. Biodiversity conservation. By avoiding development in greenfield sites, the project minimizes potential negative impacts on local ecosystems and biodiversity. Scalability and future prospects. The vision for solar railways extends far beyond the current pilot projects. The inherent scalability of this technology makes it incredibly promising for both Switzerland and the global rail industry. Swiss potential. With thousands of kilometers of track, the potential for solar energy generation across the Swiss network is enormous. Once initial hurdles of cost effectiveness and mass production are overcome, panels could be rolled out across suitable sections of the network, including high-speed lines, regional routes, and even sidings. Global applicability. The concept is not limited to Switzerland. Countries with extensive rail networks such as Germany, France, India, China, and the United States could adopt similar strategies. The modular nature of the panels means they could be adapted to various track gauges, climates, and operational requirements, challenges and opportunities. While the potential is vast, challenges remain. These include the initial investment costs, the need for robust regulatory frameworks, ensuring panel durability in diverse environmental conditions, e.g., heavy snow, extreme heat, and integrating the generated electricity into existing grids. However, Ongoing technological advancements and decreasing solar panel costs are making these projects increasingly viable. Integration with smart grids. In the future, these solar-powered rail sections could become integral components of localized smart grids, providing distributed energy and enhancing grid resilience. Combined with energy storage solutions, they could offer a consistent supply of clean power. 6 insights from experts and stakeholders. This project offers an exciting opportunity to green our operations and contribute to Switzerland's energy goals. Integrating solar panels directly into our infrastructure allows us to leverage existing assets for a new purpose, enhancing our sustainability profile and potentially reducing our operational energy costs. The Swiss Solar Rail Initiative is a prime example of innovative land use optimization for solar power. By utilizing linear infrastructure, it addresses a key challenge in renewable energy deployment: finding suitable, available space without competing with other land uses. It's a smart, decentralized approach to energy generation. Harnessing solar power from railway lines is a truly clever way to increase renewable energy production without further encroaching on natural landscapes. It aligns perfectly with Switzerland's commitment to climate action and biodiversity protection, offering a tangible step towards a carbon-neutral transport sector. Conclusion: Switzerland's pioneering project to install removable solar panels on active railway lines is more than just an engineering feat. It's a testament to human ingenuity in the face of climate change. By transforming passive railway corridors into active energy generators, this initiative offers a blueprint for a future where sustainable infrastructure plays a dual role in both transportation and clean energy production. As these rails of Radiance expand across the Swiss landscape, they promise not only to power trains but also to illuminate the path towards a greener, more energy-independent world.